Okay, fifth graders, in this quadrilateral tangram challenge, you are going to be using this website. So click here where it says website, go there. So you're going to be using this website to virtually manipulate the tangram pieces to create quadrilaterals, and then you'll take screenshots as you go. So your first job is you create a triangle using exactly 2 pieces. So you're going to go back to your website, and now I've got all these pieces, and they're not that easy to move, so you've got to be patient, but I need to create a triangle using 2 of them. So I'm going to move them around a little bit. Bring it around here. No. So move them around. Create a triangle using exactly 2 pieces. I wonder if this will work. Oh, what shape is, no, not a triangle. Okay, so that's your job, is to create you'll go through all of these different tasks, and you'll use this, and after you're done, you'll take a screenshot of it, and then put your screenshot, you'll import it into these little boxes. So there's 14 tasks for you to get done. Create a parallelogram using exactly 4 pieces. And if any of these words confuse you, it's always okay to go back to yesterday's assignment and work on that and look at those, like what's a parallelogram, what's a trapezoid, just to help your brain get, just remember what you're doing. And then last, you'll do this tangram polygon super challenge. So it says try making the polygons using different numbers of tangram pieces, and then draw your findings on the chart below, or you can do a screenshot. So the number of pieces, can you use the tangrams here to make a square with 1 piece? Well, there, I did it, square. So I could just really quick draw a square, but I want, once it gets more difficult into the 6 and 7, that's where I want to see some screenshots. And it does say some solutions may not be possible, but this is your chance to kind of play around with tangrams. And then there are all these, if you look at the website, can you build this fox? Can you build a house? And I would love to see what cool things you can build with tangrams. So this is your quadrilateral tangram challenge job. Good luck!